Subway vlog. Definitely not because we haven't got anything else.
Shut up, Subway.
Glug glug. You look like a fucking emo.
I know.
Like if, what's his name? The bald Prince guy was an emo. I got your picture, I'm coming with you, dear Maria, take me home.
That's Cameron.
Do you though? Do you really?
Cameron, this heart goes out to Cameron.
That's... How would Beth feel about that?
It's Cameron, isn't it?
How would you feel if I started dating Beth?
Besides, it's not Cameron.
Okay, how would you feel if I started dating Cameron?
Kill you.
Maybe. Oh look, it's Subway. Did you know? I think it's in Scotland. They legally class the bread as cake because there's so much sugar. Ooh, thank you. Where are you going?
We're going this way.
Why are we going this way? What if I wanna? What if I don't want to go this way? Are you enjoying that? Are you happy? Are you satisfied? Because I'll never be satisfied. That's Hamilton.
This is where we've loved.
Where the fuck are you taking me? Or where am? What? Who's leading who? I'm very confused.
We're going to prison.
Oh fuck! Not again.
Mukbang. This is the mukbang sandwich.
No, don't take my.
Show them the sandwich.
No, my chicken and bacon. You just.
I don't even. There you go.
Thank you. Enjoying that.
Every time you eat a sandwich, go up to someone and dance.
You go first. Nom nom. Go dance to someone very random. I definitely. Are you gonna go boogie woogie? Oh fuck, we fucked up. We fucked up, he's coming this way. Oh shit. Oh, huh?
What a PSV.
Oh, you nut, I don't know what that is.
Cameron, that's so cool. Cameron Bass, that's so cool.
I don't like
That's
this.
so cool, Cameron.
I just edit.
I didn't like that one down there, so that's why I came here. So now I'm switching back there.
Malika, help.
Good question. Samsung something. A17 maybe? A80?
Fuck, I got that A52.
Man's absolutely blazed on fucking monster. He's absolutely high, mate. Look at him. He ain't walking straight, he ain't talking straight. His eyeballs.
Shut up, I'm gonna walk straight right now. God blimey, mate!
Oh, God blimey, mate! It's a fucking idiot! I'm leaving you for my friends.
That's where the middle of the earth is.
Stop following me. You should. Go away. I love you, Jake. But I love your girlfriend more. I haven't posted in 2 weeks. Oh, it's Faith from the Moulin Rouge vlog, which has not been released or even finished editing because I keep procrastinating and I do not have the money to buy the soundtrack that I want to add onto it.
We all have mums that are alive.
What the fuck did she say?